Good morning, guys. So got up early this morning. Actually tried to get up a little bit sooner to catch the sunrise, but sun came up a lot faster than I expected. Gonna do a little different video today. So if you've been following my Instagram and things over the past couple of years, you'll notice that since I moved to Florida, I've picked up a minor boating addiction. So I have two cheap boats that I picked up that were both broken. I have a Whaler, and I have this beauty here. It's they're both work in progress. So we're very fortunate to have this rental that we found for super cheap, that we moved in when the owner had just bought the house, kind of in a foreclosure state, and we went in there and painted and did a bunch of work, and he gave us a super discount on the house. So we have a nice location, but a so-so house. But we're fortunate to be here. The downside is we have to leave here in a couple months, which kind of sucks. So we've been kind of spoiled living on the river. Not sure if we're going to find another place on the river, because rentals on the river in Fort Lauderdale are super expensive. But I'm going to try to make the best of it while we're here. But today, the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show is in town, and I'm going to take you down the river. We actually live on the river, about 35 to 40 minute drive out to the Intercoastal, and I'll show you how the 1% lives. Probably even less than the 1%, the 0.5% that own 30 and 40 and $50 million mega yachts. So cruise down the river, try to catch some of those boats before the sun completely comes up, and prepare to be mind blown.
Sir, go ahead, Steele.
Good morning, we're outbound, cover through Andrews. Wake up, wake up.
Roger, yes. Just slotted up for you momentarily.
There you go. Thanks again, Andrews. See you a bit later.
Man, it's still mind-blowing how much disposable income some people have. But I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It really helps this video reach more people. And these videos don't really make themselves, guys. It takes a lot of time to edit this and film. So if you head over to my website, unitedmotorleague.com, you might find something over there that would help support this channel. But as always, those who create earn the greatest reward. And I'll see you guys in the next one.